Excuse me, ma'am, excuse me. Sorry for bothering you. Actually, my name is Ravi. Hi, I do stranger portraits. We're looking absolutely gorgeous. Can you know where are you from?
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. Oh, nice city. Can I know your name?
Michelle.
Michelle. Oh, what makes you happy in your life?
What makes me happy? My friends and my family and what's your dance.
Actually, today is Father's Day. What is the best memory in your life with your father?
With my father, it was I used to do swimming, but because of my health issues, I stopped. So swimming with my father is
Thank you so much.